Happy Mother's Day. I made delicious peach cobbler hot out the oven. It's still bubbling a little bit. And I am going over to my aunt's house for Mother's Day. And I hope you all have a wonderful Mother's Day. Go to church and bless the Lord and spend time with your family today. And for me, we didn't want to do a restaurant because normally it's just so crowded on Mother's Day. But we're going to all get together in potluck style and do a dinner at my aunt's house. So you guys be blessed, enjoy your family, and again, happy Mother's Day. All right, I got the roses for my aunt and my grandmother. I got yellow roses for my aunt. They're soaking in water. And I got baby breath. And then I have some red roses for my grandmother. She is 90 years old. She'll be 91 soon. And no, actually she's 91. I think she's getting ready to be 92. Anyway, she's 90 plus. And then I have baby breath, and I picked up some other foliage with the little berries on there to make a beautiful rose bouquet for my grandmother. So I have the roses all getting ready. They're in the water. And we're getting ready to go celebrate for Mother's Day shortly.
For their desire to want their kids to love you with all their heart, soul, mind, and strength. And so, God, would you equip them in these days that are so difficult? One of the hardest things we ever do as parents, it's a refining process. God, would you give these moms and dads grace? Would you give them strength? Would you fill them with your word? Would you fill them with your spirit? And God, would you fill their kids with your spirit? That their lives may evidence the fruit of the Spirit. Lord, we want them to know you and love you with all their heart. So, Lord, would you bless them today? Let your face shine upon them. Be gracious to them and give them your peace. And all the dads in the room, fathers in the room, you got to die 1,000 times a day to be able to sacrifice and to love your wife well, to love your kids well. Moms, you know that you're dying 1,000 times a day. You're emptying yourself so you can serve and love. For those of you who are single and you look about the relationships that you have, whether it's whether your parents or siblings or it's people around you, that you're having to die to yourself to be able to meet the needs of people in your life. If you want to honor one another, you have to follow the biblical mandate to die to yourself and clothe yourself. Go in the closet and you put on humility. You go in the closet of scriptures and you ask God to clothe you with humility.
We are at my aunt's house for Mother's Day, and we have catfish on the grill. We're gonna have spaghetti and coleslaw and french fries, peach cobbler, rum cake, pound cake.
Okay, and then that's the coleslaw, spaghetti salad,
Baked beans and french fries. That's plenty. I'm enjoying being out here in the backyard. She has a beautiful backyard. I'm gonna show you all her beautiful plants. She has a fern that's so pretty. She has her containers, all beautiful. She loves to garden just like I love to garden. Oh, you can if you want to. I mean, it's
cold.
Yeah, we can put it in the oven. Yeah, you can put it in the oven. Just wanted to show you the coleus. All right, I'm at my aunt's house and I almost forgot to record, but we have catfish, hush puppies. We have ribs, french fries and hush puppies, baked beans. And we have, this is my plate, you guys. And we have coleslaw, spaghetti, cold spaghetti. And let me see what we have for dessert before I forget. We have my aunt's, we have my peach cobbler that I made. Let me look at the top off of it. Peach cobbler is here. We have, I woke up this morning at 6 o'clock this morning, and I woke up and cooked that. We have a delicious pound cake. And we have my Aunt Rita's famous rum cake. Let me see if I can get the top off. Rum cake, my Aunt Rita's rum cake. So we're getting ready to eat and celebrate Mother's Day and have a great time. Love you guys. Happy Mother's Day. Okay, I am headed home. But before I go home, I want to stop by my mother's grave and put some flowers on her grave for Mother's Day. I just left my Aunt Ava's home, and we had a wonderful Mother's Day celebration. As you saw, we had catfish, fried catfish, barbecue ribs, we had coleslaw and spaghetti, cold spaghetti salad. We had french fries and hush puppies, and we had a rum cake, a pound cake, and a delicious peach cobbler that I made. So we just had a wonderful time fellowshipping with everyone. I was able to see my grandmother, give her roses. Oh, I forgot to get a picture of the roses once I made the bouquet up. I meant to do that. But we had a wonderful time. We didn't play bingo this time, but we just talked and fellowship. And then I wanted to make sure that we stayed and helped clean up the kitchen. And we sat outside on the beautiful back patio at my aunt's house. The new beautiful covered back patio. It's really nice out there. And I enjoyed my aunt's beautiful garden. She has lots of beautiful flowers. But we had a wonderful, wonderful time. So now I'm headed to see my mother's grave. She's buried at Elm Lawn Cemetery, and she passed away back in 2011. So we'll be there shortly. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm at the Elm Lawn Cemetery, and I'm going to put some flowers on my mom's grave. I try to do this every year. I try to every year to come out to her gravesite. If I don't come out on her birthday in February, I come out Mother's Day and try to put something on her grave. So let me see. Let's see. All right. Hope you can see me. I don't know. Let me turn my camera around. Make sure. So let me see if I can find. Let's see. Let me find. Okay, I see it. I see it now. Okay, I see it. Trying not to get in too much mud. I should have worn my other shoes. I always forget to bring my mud boots. And I mess up my good shoes when I come over here. So I'm gonna have to try to, it's always a little muddy out here. Trying to not walk in too much mud. See, where can I step where I don't have to be in the mud? Should have worn my other shoes. I always forget to bring my boots. These, oh my God, these are brand new shoes I got. Maybe they'll clean up. Okay. All right, here is my mom's grave. Margaret Adams. Margaret Adams, and she was born February 11th, 1948, and she died June 28th, 2011. Let me take these old flowers away. We can throw away these old flowers, and we can put the new ones down. throw away these old ones. I got new flowers. This is her grave. Let me stand up. Let me let you see it. Margaret Adams, we love you. And this is my mother's grave site. So I want to put the flowers down there. And I'm just so thankful to be able to come by. Lots of people come by to show their respect for their loved ones on Mother's Day, for their mothers on Mother's Day. They come by the cemetery and, you know, put balloons and flowers. And I meant to get some balloons too when I was at Dollar Tree yesterday, and I kind of forgot. So, but anyway, Mom, I just want you to know I love you and I miss you, and I wish you were here. I just got back from Aunt Ava's, and we had a beautiful Mother's Day celebration dinner. It was really wonderful, and I just miss you so much, and I love you. And I have some good news for you. I'm gonna be a grandmother soon, so I'm just so excited. I'll be a grandmother soon, and if you were still here, you would be a great grandmother. So I just want you to know I love you and I miss you, and I haven't forgotten about you. I appreciate everything that you've done for me, and I just wanted to take a minute to come by and say I love you and miss you so much. Had time to go to church and worship the Lord and to honor their mother, because the Bible tells us, honor your mother and father that your days may be long upon the earth. And so we're taught to do that. And so if your mom is still alive, please, I hope that you honored her and showered her with love, showed her respect, and treated her like she's a queen. I hope you showered her with blessings, because one day you'll look up and she's not going to be there, and you're going to really miss her. And you're going to be saying, I wish I had did this, and wish we had time to do this and that. But love on your mom while you can, while she's still there, and give her her flowers while she lives. Do that. Flowers and balloons. So anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Again, happy Mother's Day!